This is Mandarin Chinese class, lesson 17.
Our first word is the.
We already learnt this word in lesson 5. We learnt that it is a possessive particle. In this lesson, we will be using it as a particle linking a describing adjective or phrase to a noun. In our first translation, we will see it linking an adjective with a noun to describe the noun.
Our first translation. 我想吃好吃的中国菜。我想吃好吃的中国菜。
I would like to eat tasty Chinese food.
In this sentence, we could have removed 好吃的 and have just said, I'd like to eat Chinese food. However, we wanted to use the adjective tasty to describe the food, so it was added with the before the noun. In our next translation, we will see the link a phrase with a noun to describe the noun. In English, we often use that after a noun and then describe it. In Chinese, we describe it and add the before the noun, just like we did with the adjective tasty in our first translation.
Our second translation. I don't want to eat the Chinese food that you want to eat.
我不想吃你想吃的中国菜。我不想吃你想吃的中国菜。In this sentence, the describing phrase was 你想吃 you want to eat. Without it, we would have said I don't want to eat Chinese food, but we added that you want to eat to be more descriptive about a noun, Chinese food. Next, we have 男人 男人
This is the noun, man. The pinyin is N-A-N second tone and R-E-N second tone.
This is the same noun that's in boyfriend, 男朋友, and we know 人 means person. Next, we have 女人女人
This is the noun, woman. The pinyin is N-U with an umlaut, third tone, and R-E-N second tone.
This is the same 女 that's in girlfriend, 女朋友. And again, below 人 means person. Our third translation. 你男朋友是好男人。你男朋友是好男人。
Your boyfriend is a good man.
In this sentence, we used the adjective good, 好, to describe the man, but we didn't add the. This is because when the describing adjective is only one character long, the is generally not used. If we had made it longer, for example, by saying very good, 很好, then the would be needed. Adjectives with two or more characters generally do need the, like we saw with tasty in our first translation. And there are some adjectives that also require an adverb, such as 很.
Our fourth translation. He likes beautiful women.
他喜欢漂亮的女人。他喜欢漂亮的女人。Next, we have 喝
This is the verb to drink. The pinyin is H-E and it's the first tone.
Our fifth translation. 我不会喝难喝的。我不会喝难喝的。
I will not drink horrible ones.
In this sentence, we use the 难喝. If you remember, 好吃 is used to describe something that is good to eat. In other words, tasty. Then you can say that 难喝 is describing something that is unpleasant to drink. After the noun was omitted, but we can assume it was something to do with drinks. We said in lesson 5 that when the noun is omitted after the, you can translate the missing noun as one or ones.
Our 6th translation. What do you want to drink today?
你今天想喝什么？你今天想喝什么？ Finally, we have 水
This is the noun water. The pinyin is shui and it's the third tone.
Our 7th translation. 为什么他们爱喝热水？为什么他们爱喝热水？
Why do they love to drink hot water?
Just like in our 3rd translation, the wasn't used to join hot, 热, and water, 水, because 热 is only one character long.
Our 8th and final translation. Dr. Lee and I would like to drink some very cold water.
李医生和我想喝很冷的水。李医生和我想喝很冷的水。In this sentence, the was used because we extended cold, 冷 to very cold, 很冷。
That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions or want to try your own sentences using the vocabulary we've covered so far, leave a comment below. See you next time.
See you.